Verdalia is a nature cottage Elementor template kit specifically crafted for eco-lodges, nature retreats, cabins, homestays, forest resorts, and rural accommodation. This kit features a warm, organic, and calming design inspired by nature, making it a great choice for presenting serene stays, outdoor activities, and cottage-style hospitality. Even if you have no coding experience, Verdalia is easy to customize and works perfectly with the free version of Elementor, so Elementor Pro is not required. Verdalia provides excellent value, with 18 templates and 13 ready-to-use pages included. With this kit, you can swiftly build a beautiful, peaceful, and professional website for your accommodation business. Some standout features of Verdalia include its warm, natural, and clean design, a fully responsive layout that ensures your site looks great on all devices, and complete customization options. The kit is mobile-friendly and compatible with all major web browsers including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Opera. Additionally, Verdalia comes with lifetime updates and support. Inside the template kit, you'll find a comprehensive selection of templates and pages. These include the global theme style, home, about cottages, cottage details, booking, activities, pricing, guest review, FAQs, and a 404-error page. For content-driven websites, there's also a blog post and single post template. Other essentials are contact, header, footer, newsletter form, booking form, and contact form. To use Verdalia, you need the following free plugins: Elementor, Elements Kit Lite, Metform, and Gum Elementor add-in. It's important to note that Verdalia is not a standalone WordPress theme. Instead, it contains design data for Elementor and is installed using the Envato Template Kit Import plugin for WordPress or directly through Elementor. If you need guidance on installation, a detailed guide is provided by Envato, and you can also get additional support directly from the Elementor Help section in your WordPress menu. If you want to import a Metform custom form included in the kit, simply edit the appropriate page in Elementor, open the navigator to find the Metform widget, and use the Builder panel to select and insert your imported Metform template. Once you've made your changes, click Update to save. To set up your header using Elements Kit Lite, go to the Header-Footer section, add a new template, and activate it. Then, use the My Templates tab to insert the header or footer template, customize as needed, and publish. For those with Elementor Pro, global header and footer setup can also be done through the theme builder with the page layout set to Elementor full width. Verdalia uses demo images from Envato Elements. If you want to use these exact images on your website, you will need to license them separately through Envato Elements, or you can simply use your own images instead. Overall, Verdalia is an excellent choice for anyone seeking to create a tranquil, inviting, and professional website for a nature-inspired accommodation business without the need for coding or complex tools. With its rich set of templates, ease of customization, and seamless Elementor integration, Verdalia stands out as a practical and beautiful solution.